Hello everyone, myself Dr. Bushra Alvera. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Education B.Ed in Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University, Lucknow. In this series of lecture, I am going to discuss the next part of my growth and development series, and today's topic is the factors affecting growth and development. Human growth and development is a combination of heredity and environment. So we can say an individual is a product of both heredity and environment. Growth and development depends not only on one, but it is a combination of many factors such as heredity and environment. Heredity factor is also known as genetic factor, or you can say it is internal factors, the conditions within the body, and environmental factors that are called as external factors and condition within outside the body. Now come to the first factor, that is heredity or genetic factor. Heredity is the passing or transmitting of genetic factors from parents to their offsprings from one generation to the next. There are certain characteristics, or you can say factors, that affect growth and development. The first is parental characteristics. Parental characteristics are always transmitted from parents to child. The passing of traits from the parent to child is a basis of heredity. Parents of high intelligence are more likely to have the children of high IQ, which is responsible for quick learning and excellent performance. Parents with low IQ are more likely to have child having low IQ, which is responsible for child's retardation, slow learning, poor performance. Likewise, tall parents have tall children and vice versa. The second point in heredity is races. The racial factors has effect on height, weight, color, features and body constitution of the child. Child's hair and eye color, facial structure, etc. are governed by parental characteristics. Sex. Sex also influences the process of growth and development. At birth, boys are generally longer and heavier, courageous than girls. But during the process of growth and development, girls exhibit rapid growth and attain full size earlier than boys. Once again, the boys' growth starts rapidly as compared to girls during the puberty stage. Next important point is biorhythm and maturation. Generally, girls have similar length of menstrual cycle as their mother and also attain the adultation at similar stages as mother. Now come to the genetic disorders. Genetic disorders affect growth and development and in an unpleasant manner. So all these includes under the factors affecting heredity. You can say कि all factors under this discussion come under to heredity factor that affect growth and development. In my next lecture, I am going to discuss factors that comes under environmental category that affects growth and development. Thank you so much.